So in today's video, I'm just going to show us how I demanded from a permis conduire, that we know as driver license, in France after I passed my examination. In case you are looking for video that will help you, then I think this is a good video that can help you. All you need to do is just follow me step by step. But before you start, you need to prepare already some document that you are going to use. For example, your photo identity, that is your card, your passport, or your identity, the one that you are using in France. Then number 2, you need to get your justification de domicile. It can be house rent, it can be electricity, it can be water bill, anyone that is available for you. Make sure it's just that they are 6 months, less than 6 months. That is very, very important. The next thing that you need to get is your e-photo. As you can see, this e-photo is very, very important to get. So it's very important you get your photo. Just go and take it, and then what you are going to use there is the number that you put here, because you have 2 options. It's either you get this e-photo or you send a photo to them by mailing it to them. That one is going to take a lot of stress. Okay, so I prefer also use this type of photo, which is going to be easier for you to use. And then the last thing that you need to get is the certificate that you downloaded after you pass your driving examination. You need to have it registered on your computer. Okay, those are the things that you need to get ready to get your permis de conduire. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, the next step is we are going to jump into my computer and we are going to follow this step by step until we fill it completely and we get to the end. And if you have not subscribed to this channel I teach code de la route there in English for people that are struggling to pass it in English. So that's exactly what I teach here. So if you are interested, you are struggling to pass it, or you have passed it, I know you have passed it before you can even be sitting down watching this video. But if you know somebody that wants to pass this code de la route and is struggling because of the English, you can let the person subscribe to this channel and enjoy. And if you want private class, I do private class as well. So without wasting much of our time, let's jump into my computer and then let's fill up everything. So you go to your Google. When you get to your Google, you type permis de conduire. As you can see, you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open this page for you. Just choose the first one, ANTAS. Okay, ANTS. That's the site. When you open it, it's going to take you to this place. Make sure you are in Agence Nationale de Titres Sécurité. That's the meaning of ANTS. Okay, it will make sure that you are in this place. So once you go to this place, the next thing you're going to do is they have different one, but the one we are focusing on is this demande la fabrication. Okay, when you click on it, it will take you here. They have different things that you do, but your own is just that because you just pass your examination. So you choose this first option here that you saw me my cursor. Then there are list of, in case you have not getting prepared of all the necessary things that you need, they listed them here. Okay, I've mentioned them already in the introduction video, the things that document that you needed to have at hand. Okay, then the next thing is you click on this commencer votre démarche en ligne. Okay, that means start your demand, what you want to do. Once you click on it, it will take you here. Then you wait for some minutes. You will have created an account already, because if you don't have an account, you might not be able to check your results before. So you sign in, or you connect with France Connect. Okay, so me, I'm going to connect with France Connect. Okay, I will click on it, then I'll come back and click on this one. Once I click on this, I have different options. So the options I normally go for is this option, identity numeric with La Poste. It's La Poste that will help me. So what next I will do is I will put my phone number there, then I will connect it. So they will send me code to my phone. So I'll go and verify this in my phone, okay, with my code. Once I verify this, then it will open like this for me. It will immediately change it to put top here. Here is my name that I will block it, but it's my name. Then you now see continue solicit ANTS. This is your site. You click on it. So once you click on it, it will say welcome with your name and all that things. So you have 3 options here. Since we are focusing only on permis de conduire, which is the driving license, so you click on these options that you are seeing here. Once you click on this option, then they ask quel est le motif de votre demande. What is the motive behind your request. Okay, then your own is that I want to fabricate my titre de permis de conduire, that is I want to fabricate my driver license. So you choose this option here, and then you scroll down and click on next. Once you click on next, decide what is your situation. Are you a person that is big or you are a small person? Normally I'm a big person. Okay, so you choose here, and then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's going to ask you, is it the first one after that you have just passed your exam, or you want to renew? Is the first one. So I will choose this one, then I'll click on continue. Then it's going to ask me that is this demand concern the permit the category A alone? So which is the answer is no, it doesn't concern only category A alone. Then I click on continue. When I click on continue, it asks me that in visit medical, is it necessary? While the visit medical is not necessary, so I will choose no. Then you scroll down, you click on continue. They said, does set demand, does it include a category de poids lourd? The answer is no, it doesn't include it. Then you click on continue. Said I should verify whether my response is good, is okay or not. So as I'm verifying all this, which is okay, then I click on validate indéfiniment my situation. So I validate. It said there is error. Reviendo. While I was creating this permis conduire, I found out that they said they have already asked for me before. So I decided to make a little research to know where I can get it, because it's my first time. But this is what I found out. Let me show you. So I come back to the beginning again, and I was looking around everywhere that where can I see where they have already started it. So when I get here, I now saw the affiché vous demande au lieu au permis conduire. When I open this place, it opened. When I open it, it give me this one. So I was like, I've never asked before, and I saw the date that they even created it, which is this date, and I've never had. But what confused me is that it said brouillon. So I decided to consult what is written there. So I'll now read quel est le motif de votre demande. Je m'inscris pour voir me présenter au cours de exam. So this is the way they do it. I think this is the way they do it. The driving school is going to do this so that they can be able to allow you to write exam for permis de conduire. I think that is what they did here, because everything here, it is not for permis. So as you can see, everything that they did it for me is just the permis. Okay, and they wrote everything one by one. There they put my name, put my ad de naissance, put everything, pays de naissance, which one is not right, and then they've answered a lot of things for me here to be able to. But what will I do? Because I don't need this one now. I don't need it. All I need to do is just to press back and cancel it, because I was seeing in that place that they said I should go and supplement this one. So I need to abandon this dimanche. We abandon set dimanche, so I don't need it again. So I need to go back and now restart my own. Moyen de paiement. Si vous resident, if I didn't live here, maybe I'm going to pay. I don't know. So let's continue. So this is all I need to know. Then I'll click on next. So when I click on next, now I have to fill all my own personal documents. My name, okay, which is this one. Then my prenom, my first name, my second name. Then they said I should add encore. My date of birth is there. The place of national where they gave back to me is not there already, so I'm going to change it. Okay, then commis de naissance, I don't know, so I put my commis de naissance. So I click on next. Put my address already. Then I continue down. There is no optional. Okay, they say like optional, which is the apartment. I put it. I click on next. Vous pouvez nous contacter. Yes, this is my email. Then I put my phone number again. So I go back again next. So they're asking me that I should put my papier. If you don't do this photo with this number, that means you have to send your normal photo by mail. Instead of sending that, why didn't I do this one by normal photo? So this is exactly the one I did. Why do I need to send it by mail again? So I put the number. You see it here. You can see it here. This is the example of that number that I put here. Okay, it has signature and everything. Should I do? Then you can see I have to click on next. So they're asking me for the justification de domicile. must be less than 6 months. So I have to click here to go and look for it to upload. So you can see I've already officiated it is there. Then I'm going to adjust Permis identity. That is my own identity. So I'm choosing this. So I have to add my ID. So it's loading, and I have my 2 ID card there now. So they now ask me that a piece justificative administrative. So I'm going to put. So in this place, I choose certificate, the examination, the one that they gave me. Then I will come here and choose other options as well. The copy of the reçu de la examination théorie générale. So it's perfect. I've uploaded it, and then it's okay. Then the other one, they said loads another justification that I want to add. I don't have another justification, and I put it. Then the next is I'm going to click on the next. It said they now said there's a recapitulative, that is to recap everything that I've done from beginning. Then I will scroll down and check what is there. Permis conduire, just to verify whether everything is fine. Person major, permis after using, no. Everything that I put, okay. And then you click on validate. You have to validate indefinite. No, that means you cannot change. Okay, once you click here, it take you here. It's just to, you can telecharge something, you can download. That's the meaning of download. This one is your own choice. It's not necessary to do anything. They ask that how much does it cost you, how many hours did you spend, all those things, a number of hours. All this one is not necessary for you. I think that is all I need to do. So as you can see, we have come to the end of this video, very short video. Okay, all you need to do is follow the procedure. I purposely take my time to explain it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, where if you want to pass your code de la route and you are struggling, you can subscribe to this channel. And if you have any video that you want me to make concerning anything about this code de la route or concerning this document that I'm doing here, you can put it in the comment section as well. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.